Hi there, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm showing Unity Stamp Company stamps, and I am creating this gorgeous little dinosaur scene that's going to be an anniversary card theme. And so I use simple stamping from Unity for the dinosaurs and all of the sentiments. I used Stomping Great Day for the dinosaurs, that's a stamp set. And for the sentiments, all of them are from the stamp kit called I Did, I Do, I Will. And it's really adorable. It's perfect for anniversary, and I just love it. So these dinosaurs are a completely different kit that I use, and they work perfectly. I went ahead and stamped them close together and just masked the face area there to just sort of make it look like more of a love theme there. So I added lots of hearts. This set comes with a cute little heart set, and I just stamped it multiple times all over the card just so that there's hearts all over. And so for the watercolor, I use Altenew half pans watercolor with some very narrow brushes, and add water to the dinosaurs first, then dab in a shade of pink and it blends. Then I use my brush to finish blending it. Now I heat set in between the layers of color. I don't want, in this case, I don't want the colors blending into one another. There are other watercolor techniques where that is fine, but for this I wanted to dry each section so that it wouldn't bleed into the next section, and so that the colors would stay separated. And so you can allow that to dry, but for the sake of time, I used a heat tool, and just as I went along, just heat set the different sections there. And so I just chose very light pastel colors for this intentionally. I wanted it to be very light shade, just sort of to mimic the look of cartoons or cute scenes for the dinosaurs. And then I heat set, there we go, heat set again. Now I wanted to, and you could stop there, and it's really cute just the way it is for these, just the dinosaurs being colored and the hearts, but I wanted to go ahead and make a little scene. So I wanted to make an outdoor scene with green shades towards the bottom, sort of to mimic a ground. And then I'll add some blue towards the top, very, very light shades, and I sort of blend out the blue, not all the way to the top of the card, sort of almost all the way, but just to give the hint of a scene, an outdoor scene. And then, so go ahead and add a little bit of a diluted blue for the sky. And if you use waterproof ink, you can go over the words with that, but I didn't want to go over the hearts because that might react together with these watercolors. So I just did my best. It is watercolor. It's not meant to be perfect, and then I just blend it upwards and dilute it some more, just sort of an ombre look for the sky. Then I heat set all of that again, front and back. This is watercolor paper by Ranger, and I love it. It's great to stamp on and do watercolor. So I added foam tape to the back of this panel. You can leave it be just like this, and it's a one-layer card. I went ahead and I printed the first, the number there, and punched it out with a little circle punch just to personalize it for a first anniversary. Then I added some enamel dots, adhesive gems to just give it a little accent. There you go. You have a really sweet love theme anniversary cards with dinosaurs. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe and have a great day.